stories. The armed forces prepares for a bigger offensive in Basilan. Cory Aquino forgives her husband's assassins but opposes their pardon. Bongbong Marcos testifies that 11 Lucio confirms are theirs. Hurricane bears down on Mexico, sending 70,000 tourists in exodus out of the country. On Lifestyle Check, a video camera for professional videographers and small production houses.
Malacanang is putting up a brave front in the face of a growing casualty count in Mindanao. Jovi Francisco has that story.
The commander-in-chief, standing in front of her key security officials, announced that the military offensive in Sulu and Basilan will continue. This despite calls from some sectors for a halt in the battle because of the rising number of casualties on the side of the military.
Hindi dapat maaksaya ang kanilang pagtaya ng buhay. Hindi tayo aatras sa pakikibaka upang mabigyan ng katarungan ng ating mga Marines at upang mabigyan ng kapayapaan at kaunlaran ang bayan.
Aside from seeking justice for our fallen soldiers, President Arroyo said that combat is imperative if we want lasting peace in Mindanao.
Naunawaan natin ang mga ibig ihinto ang labanan. Subalit dapat nating tandaan na hindi magkakaroon ng seguridad ng bansa kung hindi natin mabibigyan ng hustisya ang mga sundalong nagtatanggol ng ating republika. Sa halip, lalong lalakas ang loob ng mga terorista kung hindi sila pagbabayarin sa kanilang paglapastangan sa ating mga bayaning kawal.
But even if the offensive will continue, Mrs. Arroyo will be sending her health and social welfare officials to Basilan and Sulu tomorrow to take care of the needs of families affected by the conflict. And because there is no let-up in the military's pursuit of the Abu Sayyaf and rogue members of the MILF and MNLF, the government is sounding the alarm that the enemies will most probably launch attacks in other places. The PNP and the AFP are now on high alert for possible spillovers.
We are ready for it. This is not only, we're not talking about Basilan and Sulu lang, we're talking about the country.
The president also announced that the supposed resumption of the peace talks between the government and the MILF tomorrow was rescheduled for next month. The government panel was quick to deny that it was related to the situation in Mindanao.
We're very careful because we are in the process of negotiations. Kaya maybe many of you would like to get some details, which we have, but we are not at liberty really to disclose because we are in a very sensitive work of negotiations.
To have it sooner than later.
Jovi Francisco, ABC News.
The military is bracing for a bigger attack in Basilan following reports that the Abu Sayyaf is calling on MILF members and minors for reinforcement. Jason Torres has that story.